Hello and welcome to GMAX Studios. Today we are going to unbox the Fujifilm X-T3. A lot of paper, warranty, including the manual. Who reads the manual? And open the box. This is what it is. Let's see what's inside the box. And a box inside another box. So this is what we have. And let's open this one first. The charger. There's a flash. Good thing there's a battery. A strap. And the adapter cable along with the hooks and protectors for the strap. And in this other box, oh yes, we have the lens, which is the 1855 f2.8 f4 RLM OIS lens. That's the lens, that's the hood. This is the moment of truth. The new Fujifilm X-T3. There is also an accompanying flash which goes on top of the camera and it's very tiny. We'll test this out, of course, and the good thing is that it does not require any separate battery power. So we're really excited to try out this camera because not only does it have 10-bit internal recording, it also has 10-bit external 422 recording, which we are going to test out with the Ninja 5. So subscribe to our channel and we will be back with a full review very, very soon. Until then, bye-bye.